Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Calendly to Zapier in 2024. Of course, Calendly is a great scheduling tool, and with Zapier, you can automate processes like sending notifications, syncing events, or even updating your CRM automatically. So this tutorial will guide you step by step on how to integrate the two platforms together. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use it wherever you want. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section and open zapier.com as well as Calendly. So calendly.com. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this two pages. Let me just take you into it. So, for example, in Zapier, you'll be taken here. So you can go and click at the top right corner login option to log in into your account. You can use a Google, Facebook, or Microsoft account if you want to. If you don't have an account, you can use a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. And the same will be for Calendly. Click on login to log in into your account, and you'll be able to use the Google account to do it. And if you don't have an account, click on get started. As you can see, you can even use a Microsoft. So once logged in into Calendly, you'll find yourself on a dashboard like this, and the same will be for Zapier. So the first thing that we'll need to do to connect or integrate Calendly with Zapier is go to this list panel and check if Calendly is on the apps of Zapier. So once you go here into that option in here, just go to search apps and simply look for Calendly in here. So as you can see, it's right here. So I'll just go and click on connect. Once I click on connect, this pop-out will pop up here. Because I'm already connected to Calendly, they will just tell me continue to enable Calendly for Zapier application to connect to your account and manage your Calendly events. For me, I'll just go and click on connect to allow this connection. So once I click on connect, as you can see, the connection, I'll find here I have one connection with Zapier and Calendly. Now, you don't even need this anymore. Of course, if you want to go and create like some event that you want to integrate into Zapier, it's totally up to you to do so. So normally what you do here in Zapier, simply if you go to this left panel, click on create the Zaps, here it's where the fun starts. Here where you can start creating all the Zaps or all the automated stuff that you want. Starting as an example, you can do it manually by adjusting or choosing the trigger of the app that you want and the action as an example, the action event, the trigger event. But if you don't want to do it manually, you can simply tell whatever you want to this Copilot AI tool that will help you create triggers and actions together. So I don't know what do you want exactly to do, but as an example, let's say I want to connect Calendly with Slack. Let's just say so. Of course, we said that we want to integrate Calendly with Zapier, but Slack, of course, is an app in Zapier, so it's actually integrating it with Zapier. Of course, you can use it with Zapier like alone if you want to, but normally Zapier will let you connect two apps together, even more if you want to in one Zap, which will help you seamlessly, of course, automate a lot of stuff. So, an example here, I'll just type when I don't know what's when as in I don't know when the event time is getting as example close in Calendly. So in Calendly in here, send a channel message in Slack and hit the enter button. We just go and adjust this and hit the enter button. As you can see, Copilot will just create the trigger and actions for me. Of course, if it's required any additional information, it will ask you. You can even adjust something. So, for example, NVT like created something, you'll get a channel message. So I'll just go here and click on add all steps. Once you add all those steps, what you'll need to do now is basically fix any problems. So you can click on this first one. As example for the setup, you can choose the app. If you didn't do it with this Copilot, you normally have to come to the trigger, choose the app, choose the trigger events, choose the or connect to the account. Of course, you can also change the trigger event if you want to. Instead of invitee created, you can choose cancelled, no show created, or something like that. So depending on the trigger events, you will have different configuration. So example, for this configuration, I have just the webhook subscription scoop. So example, I'll just choose this one, then click on continue. And here, the tests option. So you can just go and test the trigger, and basically Zapier will test this by its own. So you'll just have to wait a little bit. If tested and everything is corrected, you'll find the check button in here. You'll have basically to do the same for Slack. So just go to this setup, basically choose the app. Of course, if you want to change the app from Slack to another thing, action, depending on whatever app you choose, the action event, and of course the accounts will have to log in into it if you choose another like account that you still did not log in into Zapier. Then, as we said, the configuration will change from an action to another. So, example, for this channel message, they'll tell me to choose a channel that I want to send the message to, maybe projects. And as an example, for the message text, I'll just choose an event. Let's say this is the message that I'll get in this channel once an MVT created something in Calendly. Of course, you can send this as a bot, you can choose the bot name, bot icon, you can edit all the other settings if you want to, as example here. So bot icon, include a link, attach an image if you want to, auto expand links, link username and channel names, schedule ads, example, file, a thread if you want to add, and also send channel messages or no. So once you do that, just click on continue. And as you can see, again, you'll have here to test this step. So click on test this step. And if everything is good, as you can see, you'll find another check button in here. If you have those two check buttons, that means everything is good to go. What you'll need to do now is simply hit this publish button in here or publish at the top right corner in there. So once you publish it, whatever you automated here in the Zapier will stay automated. So whenever someone created, an MVT created something in Calendly, you will receive a channel message in Slack. And it will be automated forever until you remove it or disable it. As you can see, very simple. Of course, for you, you'll be able to do other multiple stuff that you can check by your own. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.